Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Listen, I wasn't sure I'd have time to show this, but I do want to show this to you. These are bacon wrapped crackers. They're delicious and they're easy, and they're a crowd pleaser. I usually make them at Christmas time. Anyway, point is these. I've got my oven at 400 degrees, and I have taken club crackers, just store-bought Kellogg's club crackers. They're kind of rectangular shape. And I took a pound of bacon, regular bacon, not thick slice, just regular bacon, because I have found that that works better with this recipe. And what you do is you cut that into 3 sections, equal sections. And you take those little strips of bacon and you wrap a piece of bacon around each cracker. Now, just for cleanup purposes, I lined mine with heavy foil, my pan, and then I put a rack on top. So that, and if you have a convection oven, that's even better, which I don't, but that's even better. But anyway, that keeps the crackers from sitting in the grease that's gonna come off of this bacon. So, because you don't want it to be all soggy, okay? They're best if you make them the same day, honestly, and serve them. And let your people eat them, let your family eat them. I've stored them before. I've made them ahead of time and stored them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. And I've taken them to a football game and tailgated with them, and they were still delicious. But the best way is this way, just FYI. So what I did, I wrapped the little crackers in the bacon. I sprayed this with cooking spray, non-stick cooking spray. And I like to come back with just a little bit of chili powder on mine. The chili powder gives it just a little bit of a spicy flavor, and you taste that spicy flavor and the sweetness of the brown sugar as well, and then that bacon, and then the saltiness of the cracker. Now that's totally up to you if you want to try this recipe, but I will bake these on 400 for about, I'm gonna say 15 minutes, but I'm gonna watch them until the bacon looks done. Let's say that, until the bacon looks done. And doneness of bacon is different to everybody. Some people like it really done. Some people like it halfway done. Anyway, my point is, this is one of those recipes that you just kind of have to see it and do it, and do it to your liking, is what I'm trying to say. And I know I'm stumbling a little bit, but I wasn't sure I was going to even show this. So that's what I'm doing today, are some bacon wrapped brown sugar with just a tiny bit of chili powder. And this is dark chili powder, that's just what I had. And I'm gonna bake these on 400, and they are gonna be delicious. They're not low calorie, but they're delicious. Anyway, I hope that's something that y'all love. I'll post a picture at the first part of the video, and hopefully that made sense to you and you can try it at home. See y'all. Bye.